Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, I'm Camille Chanel, and on my YouTube channel I share with you videos on how I get through having this hot mess of hair on top of my head. I've been transitioning my hair from its relaxed keratin state to its natural curl pattern. As you can see, my hair is in a state of something, right? Normally it's in a state of dryness. Currently it is in pre-shampoo mode with what, you may be wondering? Aloe vera. I have been using aloe vera to naturally moisturize as well as support my hair and my hair growth endeavors. So with that being said, in today's video I will be sharing with you how I prepare my fresh aloe vera gel to get my pre-shampoos and other parts of my skincare and hair care routine going. If you're interested in seeing how I apply and actually do my pre-shampoo routine, please click the video link above or down in the description section. So without further ado, let's get going. I have here a fresh aloe vera leaf. I'm going to start by cutting off the spiny sides. Now I'm going to cut off the ends. Cut it into 3 pieces. Removing the toxins or poisons from aloe vera is an actually easy process. The yellow sap in the aloe vera, while for some people it doesn't cause them too much of an issue, for others it could cause mild discomforts or even stomach upset if ingested. To remove the aloin, or the yellowy substance in the aloe vera, you just need to soak the aloe vera leaf in room temperature water for at least 30 minutes. If I'm not pressed for time, I'll let it soak for up to 2 hours. The aloe vera has been soaking for about 30 minutes, just a bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of here and I'm going to rinse it. Okay, so now it's time to get the gel out of the leaf. Just going to slice off the skin. I got this knife as a gift from my mom. It is a knife specifically for cutting up vegetables, and it works amazingly for not chopping my hand off while working with aloe vera. Whoops. Sometimes you have to mutilate it to get a good grip on it. And voila! At this point, your aloe vera is ready for use, or you can break it up a little bit more as you see me doing here. If you want a more finished product, you can put it in the blender or mash it up with a potato masher. I have used aloe vera several different ways, and I prefer it in these big chunks like this just because cleanup is easier afterwards. So thanks for spending the time with me, Cam Fam, and I will see you on the next one. I need to start writing a script because this be taking too long.